It depends on the weather condition. On the way here, we had some wind on the front, so we were running 13 about something like this. Yes, but with the better conditions, seawater and the wind condition, it would be.
And what's the horsepower on each engine?
1,000, around 2,000 kilowatts. 2,000 kilowatts, yes, 1,950. Two main engines. We have two generators. Now you cannot see, you cannot hear. It's in these boxes, white boxes. This is generator which gives us power. This is our heart of the engine, or the boat gives us power. One engine is running on the port side. One is always on standby during maneuvering when the captain wants to use the bow thruster. Then we have two engines parallel online.
And what's the spool up time? How quickly can you have the engine running?
Oh, very quickly.
Very quickly.
Because yes, in 1 minute. In 1 minute.
In 1 minute.
Yes. Just we always keep the main engine preheating on. It's about 50 degrees, both engines, and especially when you're on anchor or when we are on the trip, we always keep the engine warning, this is like a preheating warm engine. And then, yes, basically we can start just now, but I always prefer there is two pumps more, like a pre-lubrication pumps. You always want to keep some oil before starting. So
Things don't dry out.
yes, and then it takes maybe 1-2 minutes.
And you can automatically add oil from a reservoir?
Yes. Everything is here. We can start from here, even from the.
Where's the desalinization, whatever it is?
Ah,
The water.
the water.
Yes,
Is it in another area?
it's just here.
Oh, it's here.
Just here. It's small unit, but it's
Small?
I think I can
Does a
open.
good job.
It does a good job. Yes, it's 7 or 8. I can say on the meter cubics. I don't know the gallons, but it's 7 per 24 hours. 7 meter cubes per 24 hours. And we have 2 units, so it's all double. So it's there are special membranes inside, and basically what you are doing, seawater goes in some filter stages, and the high pressure pump will push the seawater to the special membranes, and in the membranes they will just, in one side it will be like a fresh water, from other side it will be, we call brine. It's like a salty water, yes. And then this fresh water, it's pumped to our freshwater tanks. It's this unit here. Just looks
Like,
small, but it works. Yes, it works. On the way there, we have this fuel manifold block with the fuel purifier and some tanks, fuel tanks, and the down of the seats like a sewage treatment plant. Our all black and gray water goes to the one or another tank, and then later on, when the level reach a certain maximum level, or how it's adjusted, it will just pump through the system.
And the maximum fuel capacity is?
138 meter cubics. 100. It's 1,000.
yeah, that's right. Yeah. 100
Fuel.
was 40,000 gallons.
40,000, yes. Okay, at the moment we have, this is our, yes, our fuel capacity on board, 75,000 liters. It's 19, yeah.
19,000 gallons.
Yes. This is our fuel system. We have some fuel forward, some fuel aft. We do the ballast and the trim with the fuel because we have no ballast system in this boat. Yes, and we do.
Very sophisticated system.
Yes, it is. This is a they call Marine Link system. You can start the engine, generator from here. You can open the valves. You can accept all alarms. You can monitor everything. It's a nice view. We always want to improve I'm only here for 3 months.
Oh.
I'm new one.
You're new.
Yes, but I like it. Yes.
So you're leaving after 3 months?
I'm going home. Yes, we are 2 chief engineer on rotation.
Two, you rotate. Well, that's
Yes.
nice.
Yes. And we do.
The door is opening alone. They're opening and closing it.
Somebody.
Submarine. What is this?
And so this is a sign of the CO2. This engine is protected, and this area is protected by CO2 in case of fire. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. And this you need to have this sign because of the rules, all the things here.
Or post.
Yes. And let's say this one, it's the CO2 carbon dioxide nozzle to extinguish the fire in this area. We have all around the engine as well. And release station, it's upstairs, so you actually release the carbon dioxide you release in the engine room, and it will kill the fire.
It kills the fire.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
And do not make any damage on the engine, like putting the water. Yes.
Preserve the engine.
Yes.
That's
And
advantage.
the one what you see in the accommodation, fighting the fire, it's simple like this, very similar like this, but it's called sprinkler, and it's basically high pressure pump will just pump the fresh water through the nozzle, and it will be just spreaded like a mist, water mist. And
That's for the rest.
for the accommodation. On other side we have quite good air condition system. We have four compressors, and you have all around the ship small units which cool down the ship. Let's say if I stop now compressor, in 5 minutes you will be too much. Keep running all the time, especially in this area.
What's your ideal temperature for the engines?
First, they like a high temperature. We don't like.
Did you?
Okay, it's 40 degrees. 40
Centigrade?
centigrade. Yes, it's Fahrenheit. It's
It's pretty hot.
90. Yeah, 98.
That's the temperature we had to keep our puppies for 3 weeks to survive.
That's like Magic Tuesday.
And down there is also one important thing. It's a stabilizer.
Oh, yes,
stabilizer unit.
stabilizer.
Yes.
Where
Yes.
is?
That's your snap.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's down there.
That's
This is
That's
an
the symbol.
Yes.
It's just,
Yeah, and it works very nice, very fine, because
that's,
sometimes you need it.
We have them on airplanes as well.
Okay.
amazing.
And, all the rest, it's a nice small engine, compact, nice, and everything runs fine. Yes.
I want to swim outside the boat to see the stabilizers.
Yes, if you want to have some eye protection, it's not so noisy. But if you like some, we can go down.
What are you going down there?
Yeah, if you want to go on the lower level, where is the stabilizer unit, it's down there on the lower level.
I might skip it.
If you like.
I'm gonna skip
You
it.
understand?
I have my
Ah,
He has this ear protection at all times.
if you-